Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A73 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, and as an example I will be using just a home screen right here. So once you have it open, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down. You'll get this flash and you can let go, and now the image can be found in your photo gallery, which is right here, photos. Tap on it, tap on OK, and there it is, screenshot. Tap on it, tap on once more, and there it is. So that's our image, as you can see, and that is basically how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.